Hello friend, how are you? So let us start another practical, that is calculation of SAR index. So this portion you already learned in the theory class, okay? So what is SAR index? So SAR indexing, that means ranking or evaluating the SAR for transmitting ability on the basis of their progeny's performance. So we can rank the SAR based on their breeding value, based on their daughter's performance. So no need to discuss about this part. So as we know, there are various types of the SAR indices are available. So many SAR indices are available. Let us see which are that. So daughter's average method. So it is simply you carry out the average value of all the daughters under that shire. So that is the daughter's average index. Then equiparental index, then Rice regression method, Krishnan index, that is also called as a corrected daughters index method, dairy search index or corrected contemporary daughter average index, then Bayes linear unbiased estimator, Bayes linear unbiased prediction, BLUP, then Yepp's method, quartile or octile method, Turner's method, Graves method, Mount Hope, Bull index method. So many, not only 12 but more other indices are there. Out of that, this BLUP, that is the most we can say accurate method of SAR indices. Okay. So let us in this practical we will discuss only 4 or 5 different methods for the calculation of the SAR index. So let us see one by one. So first is the simple daughter average index. So name itself indicates simple daughter's average. So we have to the index value for that breeding value of that shire is equal to simply average of the daughter's performance. Suppose bull number A is there and it has it has suppose 10 daughters under the test. So whatever the average value of that 10 daughters, that is the index value of that shire. So I is equal to simply D bar. Second method, that is equiparental index method. So it is I is equal to 2D bar minus M bar, where 2D bar, that is the daughter's average, and M bar, that is the dam's average. Okay. So if you have a data on daughter's performance average as well as dam's average, you can calculate the index value using the equiparental index method. Third method, that is the Rice regression method. It was developed by the Rice. So on that Rice who developed this formula or method, so that's why it is called as a Rice regression method. So the formula is I is equal to H bar. Okay, H bar, that is our herd average, D bar minus E bar, where E bar, how this E bar can be find out? So E bar is equal to M bar, so that is the dam's average, and H bar, that means it is herd average divided by 2. So whatever the E bar value, put here, you can calculate this SAR indices using the Rice regression method. Okay, but somewhere in book it is written as a bar. Here it is A bar. So A bar or H bar, it is herd average. Okay, you simply remember that is the herd average. Either you can write H bar or A bar, but it is herd average plus daughter's average minus E bar. So where E bar is equal to dam's average plus herd average divided by 2. Another fourth methods for the SAR indexes. So it is Krishnan index or it is corrected daughters index method, who was proposed by the Krishnan in ICAR. So where the I is equal to D bar, that is the daughter's average, minus B, so that is the regression part, and M bar, that is the dam's average, and H bar, that is the herd average. Where the B, how to calculate the B bar, regression of Y on X. Okay, regression of Y on X. So is equal to summation xy minus in bracket summation x into summation y divided by n whole divided by summation x square minus summation x whole square divided by n. So you can calculate this b value and put this b value here, so you can calculate the I index value. Okay. Another formula, that is the dairy search index. So it is I is equal to h bar plus n divided by n plus 12 in bracket d bar, that is the daughter's average, minus cd bar. So cd bar, that means what? cd bar, that means it is contemporary daughters. So what is contemporary daughters? So daughters which are born on the same farm. Okay, but it is the daughter of other shire which are not under the progeny testing program. So this daughter are born in the same herd, they are getting the same environment, they are getting the same and feeding, nutrition, like that. So this is the contemporary daughters. Minus b, that is the regression coefficient, m bar, that is the Damp's average, and cm bar, that is the contemporary Damp's average. Okay, so this is the formula. You can simply put all the value into the formula, it will give the I value, that is the index value. So on the basis of this index value we can rank the shire. Suppose we have 10 shire records, so we can calculate the index value for each and every shire, and on the basis of highest index value we can rank that shire and we can use that shire for the breeding purpose. Okay, so now let us move on the calculation part, that is the exercise 1. Calculate the shire indices of shires A, B and C from the following information by all three methods, all four methods. Okay, give your comments and on the result and method use, where the herd average, that is the 3500 kg, that means h bar. So let us see, first shire A, B, C, the Damp's milk value is available, daughter's value is available, and this is the regression B value is available. So let us solve this exercise. So first, here it is title of the exercise again. So let us see first shire A. Okay, so Damp's average, so it is 3000 liters, so it is m bar is equal to 3000 liters. Then daughter's milk yield, so it is 4500, so that is the B bar. B, that is the regression, B is equal to 0.20. So first, and herd average, that is also available, it is 3500. Okay, so our first index, that is simple daughter average index, so I is equal to D bar. So here D bar, that is the 4500, so our index value is 4500 kg. Second, equiparental index, so I is equal to 2D bar minus m bar. So 2 into 4500, that is our daughter's average, and m bar, that is our Damp's average. So that is the Damp's average. Okay, so it is 6000 kg. Rice regression method, that is I is equal to h bar plus D minus E bar, where E bar is equal to m bar plus h bar divided by 2. So first we find out this E bar. So m bar, that is the Damp average, so it is 3000. Herd average, that is available 3500, so average value is 3250. So I is equal to again h bar, that is the 3500 plus D bar, that is the daughter's average, so it is 4500 minus 3250, so it is 4750 or 4750. Then another index value, that is the Krishnan index method. So I is equal to D bar minus B m bar minus h bar. So here this D bar, that is the 4500 minus B bar, B, that is the 0.20. So here regression value is available 0.20. 3000, that is our Damp's average, and 3500, that is the herd average. So it is, if we solve that, it is 4600 kg. So these are the all four methods: simple daughter average, equiparental, rice regression, and Krishnan index for shire number A. Likewise, we can find out all index value for share B. So here, in case of B, the DAM's average, that is the 2500, for daughter average, that is the 3000, and B value, that is 0.15. So simple daughter average index, so it is I is equal to D bar, so it is 3000, it is available 3000. Then equiparental index, so I is equal to 2D bar minus M bar. Okay, here it is. Yes, it is I is equal to 2D bar minus M bar, so it is 3500. Right segregation method, so where the E bar is equal to M bar plus H bar divided by 2. So M bar, that is the DAM's average, hard average, that is 3500 divided by 2, so it is 3000. So put this value here. So H is equal to 3500 plus D bar, that is our 3000 minus 3000. So it is 3000 minus 3000, 0, so 3500 kg. And fourth index value, that is Krishnan index method. So I is equal to D bar minus B, M bar minus H bar. So here D bar, that is the 3000 minus 0.15. 0.15 it is available here. Then 2500, that is DAM average, and 3500, that is herd average. So it is 3150 kg. Similarly, we can find out the index value for share C, where D bar value is available. D bar, that is the 5000. Here M bar, that is the 4000, and B, that is the 0.25. So simple daughter average index I is equal to D bar, so it is 5000 kg. Then equiparental index I is equal to 6000. That means if you solve, then it will be 6000. Rice regression, that is 4750 kg, and last Krishnan index, that is 4875 kg. So you can solve yourself and you can find out this value. So after finding out all the index value for all the share, we have to rank the share, which share is superior as compared to the other share. So here it is rank 1, 2, 3. So according to the share indices, that means according to the formula. So for simple daughter's average index, which share is superior? Share C, that means I value is 5000, that is the highest among the 3 shares. So share C is better. Then another, according to the daughter's average index, share A is better than share B. That means share B having a daughter's average value, that is very less as compared to the share A and share C. Similarly, as per the equiparental index, both share A and C both are at same position. That means both having a 6000 here, 6000, and as per the here it is also 6000. So both as per the equiparental index, both shares A and C are same. At second rank, that is share B. Rice regression method, share A and C same value, and share B, and Krishnan index, share C, then share A, and then share B. So out of this we can say that based on overall index ranking, share C is the best share based on their breeding value. So we can use this share for the breeding purpose. Likewise, it is, for example, it is only 3 share, but when you perform this progeny testing program, you will get large number of shares information, daughters information. In a single batch, I think it is 15, 16 or 20 share they are testing. Okay, so we have to rank this 20 share based on their breeding value, and we can select only 1 or 2 share, and rest of the other share or pool we have to call. Now another exercise, that is the second exercise. From the following data on milk yield, construct the share indices by the different possible methods. Okay, where the heritability value is 0.28 and herd average, that is 1660. So here also information on share A, B and C is available. and these are the raw data are available of the daughter's performance. Then DAMS average is available, then contemporary daughter's average and contemporary DAMS average. So first H bar, that is the 1660 kg, H bar, H square is equal to 0.28. As we know that heritability is equal to 2 BOP, where B, that is the regression of offspring on parent. So B value we can find out, B is equal to heritability divided by 2. So here it is 0.28 divided by 2, so it is 0.14. Now sire A, first index, that is the simple daughter's average index. So I is equal to D bar, that means average of this all the daughters performance. So 1552 plus 1826, likewise plus 1700 divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 divided by 8. So here it is divided. So index value, that is the simple daughter average index value, that is 1992.25 kg. Another method, that is the equiparental index, that is I is equal to 2D bar minus M bar. So 2D bar, that is already find out, that is the simple daughter average, so 1992.25 minus M bar, so that is the DAMS average, so it is finally equiparental index value, that is 2084.5 kg. Then Rice regression method, I is equal to H bar plus B minus E bar, where E bar is equal to M bar plus H bar divided by 2. So here E bar, that is M bar, so M bar value it is 1900 plus H bar, that is the hard average, divided by 2, so it is 1780. So I is equal to hard average, so it is 1660 plus 1992.25, that is the daughter's average, minus E value, that is our 1780. So index value, that is 1872.25 kg. Another, that is the Krishnan index, I is equal to D bar minus B, M bar minus H bar. So D bar, that is we have already D bar 1992.25 minus 0.14. Here it is heritability, it is 0.28 divided by 2, so it is 0.14. So 0.14 in bracket 1900, so that is the DAMS average, and this is the hard average, so it is 1958.65 kg. And last here, that is the dairy search index. We can find out dairy search index because contemporary daughters as well as contemporary DAMS information is also available. So I is equal to H bar plus N divided by N plus 12, D bar minus C bar in bracket close, minus B in bracket M bar minus CM bar. Okay, this is average, so it is CM bar. So here 1660, so it is hard average. 8, so what is 8? So it is number of daughters under that child. So here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so that's why it is 8 divided by 8 plus 12. 1992, that is our simple daughter average value, minus this is CD bar, that is the contemporary daughter. So here it is available information, contemporary daughter, so 2121. So minus 0.14, 1900 minus 1810, so here it is also contemporary DAMS average. So if we solve, we will get the 1595.93. So similarly for Shire B, we can get the simple daughter average index, so it is 1703.86. So summation of all the daughters performance divided by number of daughters, so it is 1703.86. And equiparental index, that is the 2D bar minus M bar, so it is 2067.72. Rice regression method 1863.86 kg. Krishnan method, that is the 1748.66 kg. And finally dairy search index, so it is 1653.53. So this is for Shire B. Likewise you can find out for share C all the index value, 5 index value, and you can rank the share according to the index value. Okay, so this is your assignment. Find out the index value using all 5 methods for share C and put you rank the share based on different share indices methods. Okay, and give your comments, give your conclusion which share is best. Okay, so hope you understand this practical, that is the calculation of share index. Okay, so share index and selection index both are different. Listen, share index, it is simply ranking of the share based on their index value, based on their bidding value, and the selection index, that is another thing. Okay, so don't confuse among the share index and selection index. Okay, so I think you understand this concept about the share index. Okay, bye, thank you.